गाइस, आज ना हमारे पास कुछ स्पेशल गेस्ट आए हुए हैं। तो वी हैव मिसेस अनु गुप्ता, फाउंडर ऑफ काव्या इंजीनियरिंग। अनु जी, आप हैं यहाँ पे?
Good morning, Sanjeev ji. So nice to see you and hear you. And
वेलकम
thank you for
वेलकम
inviting us.
वेलकम वेलकम गाइस। लेट अस वेलकम अनु जी फ्रॉम काव्या इंजीनियरिंग। और तो ये बैंगलोर बेस्ड कंपनी में है, जो कि ऑटोमोटिव कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं। इनको बहुत सारे एक्मा से, ऑटोमोटिव कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एसोसिएशन से बहुत सारे एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, जिसमें ईएसजी है, डिजिटलाइजेशन है, सेफ्टी है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट है, लोकलाइजेशन है। ज़ीरो डिफेक्ट सप्लायर अवार्ड भी मिला है टोयोटा किर्लोस्कर मोटर से बहुत बार। और अनु जी को जो है रिसेंटली अवार्ड भी मिला, प्रेस्टिजियस वुमेन एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड बाय ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, दैट इज सीता निर्मला सीतारामन जी। तो वेलकम अनु जी, गाइस, लेट अस वेलकम हर इन दी चैट।
Thank you.
एक बार
Thank
सब
you,
लोग
sir, for
वेलकम
giving
करिए।
such a nice introduction to our company. And very grateful. हमने आपसे बहुत सीखा है. And today I think the purpose is to get started and showcase what we have done in the last 1.5 years. So should I, am I clear and am I audible, sir?
यस यस, एब्सोल्युटली जी, एब्सोल्युटली, प्लीज। वी
ठीक
आर
है
वेरी
सर.
इंटरेस्टेड टू हियर कि आपने क्या करा, कैसे करा। दिस विल आल्सो एनकरेज एवरीवन।
Thank you, thank you. So I'll just share my this thing, sir. 1 minute. Can you see my screen, sir?
यस यस, वी कैन।
Okay. Let's just go to the presentation mode. Okay, sir. So can you see our screen? Is it visible?
यस यस, वी कैन।
1 minute. I'm just checking. 1 minute. Okay. So basically, sir, thank you everyone and namaste for inviting us. So we went through the MBT program 2 years back, 1.5 years back, last to last year. Or we are basically a Bangalore-based company, manufacturing setup and cold forging, warm forging, machining. These are activities. And we basically are professionals who started this company almost 30 years back. And Mr. Vivek, my husband, left Larsen and Toubro. I left KPMG, Pete Morvick, which is a top management consultancy firm, and we started Kavya. So basically, we do believe, and we strongly believe, to run the company very professionally. And we also believe that people are the key people. The people make the company. So technology, machines, all these things have to work with people, and then only you can bring a change. So that is how we have been at it for last so many years. I'll tell you a little bit about Kavya, and these are some of the components. ये सारे parts जो हैं, they all go inside passenger cars. These are all cold forged machines. Some of them are very critical parts which are safety related. And we are suppliers to all the OEMs, India and abroad. Customer base, if you see, is basically we are tier 1 to Toyota Kirloskar Motor because we are Bangalore based. But Hyundai, Mahindra, Kia, Tata Motors, all these companies are also, we supply for parts which go directly into the cars. And we have all the top quality certifications required to supply materials and components globally. And we are also a company which was selected by Toyota worldwide in 2004. And since then, we've been working with them, and they have been our teachers to a large extent. And basically, हमारे parts कहाँ जाते हैं? So a little bit about Kavya, and this is where our parts go. So they, as you can see, all these cars, you see them on the road. But basically, हमारे जो parts हैं, they are in the suspension, and we make these stabilizer links. So stabilizing the cars, the car hood. So they're very specific to a car model. And usually, from the time the machine goes in, the cars go into design to the time the cars, get go out of production to the spare parts. till then, almost 10 to 15 years, till the cars last, or 20 years, we supply the parts and we give them to the OEMs. Some of these, we believe in excellence, and I think we, not only from ACMA or from the government of India, but we have received awards from our customers, Tokai Rubber, from Ilgin, our Korean customer, from TKM. We have so many zero PPM awards, which means parts per million. That means zero rejection parts per million. That is the awards we get. And we have a 4-hour supply to our customers. Means every 4 hours a car picks up material and वो वहां पर deliver होता है. So it is very critical to be alive, to be alert. It is like a service. And if we don't supply to Toyota within 4 hours, the line in Toyota stops. So it's a very, very serious concern, and that's why for us, delivery, quality, and production, everything is very important. And we'll showcase कि हमने अपनी कंपनी में क्या changes लेकर आए हैं using digitalization. And we are this company of 150 people in all. And as you can see, we believe in having, all sorts of HR activities, because people are the core. We have people who usually don't leave us. I mean, usually people who have been with us are maybe some of them, the first 2 people who joined us 30 years back are also there. And people have been there for 15 years, 20 years. So we try to build a good culture where we look after and we feel that they are part of our family. And to start with, I think first of the thing, when you're running a company for us, and this is how I think, so that's why we have to have a one-page strategic plan. And I think Sanjeev ji made it very, very easy for us to understand. And basically, aage jaake, what is your 3 to 5 year plan? What is your long-term plan? Where do you want to go? This is a one-page plan which is shared in our main meeting room. And we discuss it every month, every meeting, so that the people are clear कि कहाँ जाना है, which is our direction for the current year, and going forward हमें कहाँ पहुँचना है. And very, very important is also the core values. So आप, if you see on the right here, you will see the core values here. So basically, these core values, we have converted them into Odia, we have converted them to Hindi, we have converted them to Kannada language, so that कोई भी आदमी जो है उसको समझ सके. And he can also, we have videos for each of these. So SLICED, so starts with safety, L for leadership, I for integrity, C for customer delight, E for excellence in 5S, D for diversity, respect, dignity, and trust. So we believe in all this. We have showcased, we try to be the role models. We tell our senior people to be the role models so that we can build on it. So first of the things, I think our purpose and benefits was to make sure that we are able to, the information flow is very seamless and information is very transparent, because कई बार कंपनीज में होता है कितना सेल्स हुआ तो वो कह रहे अच्छा मैं पूछ के बताता हूँ, टैली में कुछ फिगर दिख रहा है, जो मेरे प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं उनके पास कोई और फिगर है. So 3 different people are giving 3 different answers. So that is why we have tried to bring a lot of transparency in the whole system, and because of that we started first with the team intranet. Or the main purpose was also we have something called quality certifications to run our company, which are international certifications, IATF 16949, ISO 9001, which is a very basic this thing. We have an environmental certification, ISO 14001. We have HSE certification. So all these now, the paperwork jo hai, it is hidden, with the quality department, with the MR. So all these things now are very easy to access and easy to see. So I don't have to call the quality person. I can go press the buttons. As you can see here, we have the vision, mission, core values, and all these core values also we have made sure कि सब languages में हो. इंटरनेट से हमने वीडियोस लिए हैं और उसके लिंक यहाँ पर डाले हैं. Then if you see basically team के हम, each team has a page and their team names, phone numbers, everything is transparent. The OPSP is there. And then we have also made some departments here. Department wise आपको detail में जाना है, so you can go into the department details. And then whatever the awards events are happening in the company, we share it here. And training department में सारे हमारे, we have lot of details. And now the good thing is the world has become so global, and you have so many YouTube videos for any topic, whether. And now every time there is a, today in fact I think the need of the hour is cyber security, or it is POSH, which is a new regulation which has been there but not really implemented, and government is very becoming strong in it. We have just of course formatted the POSH policy, everything. We have put videos in Kannada, in Tamil, in all languages. Jisko jaun sa dekhna hai induction ke time, show them the videos. So what we are trying to make all our trainings, whichever, whether it is Kavya related, whether it is something material is available online, everything we are making it in the languages. And now it has become very easy to convert these things into languages, because the idea is to make the information flow seamless and totally transparent and easy, so you don't have to ask, you're not feeling lost. And one of the first things, so I'll just take you through the team intranet just to give you a feel of what Kavya has done. So
Yes, that will be great. Yeah, that will be great.
is it okay, sir? Is my
Yes, yes,
speed
yes.
okay? So
Yeah.
if you see here, so यहाँ पर हमने, here it is also in different languages. It is not just in English or Hindi. It is in all the local languages, so that the people here can see it. 1 minute, I'm just trying to go down. So if you see, this is all in various languages, and this is our vision and mission. Again, this is also in various languages. 4 languages पे हमने इसको convert किया है, so that people can hear. They don't have to worry. What is our mission? What is our vision? आगे कहाँ जाना है? This you can see all our core values. They are also in different languages. एक एक core value का पूरा presentation है, उसमें videos हैं, links हैं. Everybody can see it. The moment they join Kavya, they are given an induction. They become part of a Kavya employee group, and वहां पर links हैं. You can access this intranet through that link, and you can see all these videos without having to ask anybody. It's available online. So I will showcase that to you. Then as we go down, we have these departmental programs. So suppose I go to training. So here again, so we have the training programs, and page down. So you see, if you go to what HOD training should be there, what HR trainings are there, what is a dojo. So various based on, and it has been over a period of time. It is not a one-day thing. We keep trying to improve it. So maintenance का क्या है, POSH क्या क्या है. If I go to POSH, if I'll just take you through the, because these are all the now new things. Cyber security has become the new very critical thing. So this is what our committee's state is. So I don't have to ask. Any inspector comes, anybody comes outside, ये हमारी POSH committee है, sir. This is what our policy is. This is the complaint form. This is the training in POSH, various languages. And then what are the MOMs? So we make sure that the MOMs are signed, submitted to the government. Once a year, there is a annual declaration. So all this paperwork is available anytime for anybody to see. I don't have to depend on a person now. It is a system which is available. So like that, we have done many things like that. So based on our need, now this is a business dashboard, and I mean, the first thing we start with OPSP, and then what is a growth plan going forward. We have a very detailed plan for everything. Then what is the sales dashboard? I'll go into detail as we go over the slides. So this is what the MD wants to see. So he has, it is all there. I think it is still loading, so it is a little slow. But
That's okay.
annual sales plan है यहाँ पर. Marketing dashboard है. This is our Asakai board. So when I sit in the morning, I can see कि किस area में delivery में यहाँ पर issue है. D is delivery, Q is quality, M is maintenance, P is production. Production में problem आएगी तो delivery में आ जाएगी. So all these things are highlighted, which area I have to look at first. And then you can see maintenance mein there is a breakdown. Because of that, the production is suffering. So you know which is the problem to attack. Then you have raw material safety. We have these very important parameters. We have these reports. Then this is industry 4.0 report, where we are able to see which machines, what is the problem, and what is a, then this is OMM sheet, time plan hai, har aadmi ka time plan yahan par hai. And this is what is the production paid to FG. This is so. These are only some of the things which Mr. Vivek, our MD, is seeing on a daily basis, and he is making sure क्या rejection हो गया, क्या नहीं है, पूरी detail जो है यहाँ पर मिल जाती है. So I'll go back to the screen. Like that, we have many things in detail. I'll just go back.
बहुत ही बढ़िया जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया.
So this is what it has been over a period of time, and we have kept the information flow transparent. That was one of our main objectives. And we have worked on our pain points first. Rather than making a whole ERP and then failing here and failing there, we said जहाँ problem है पहले उसको sort out करो. कोई customer की problem है, we first digitize that. We make sure that problem will not happen ever again. So I remember, I'll tell you a story. I went to Toyota training, and so वहाँ पर they said, नहीं ma'am, your communication is not very good, and your people are not submitting some, because Toyota has a lot of paperwork, and you have at least 15 different forms on a monthly basis we have to submit with respect to safety, with respect to carbon emission, with respect to environment, with respect to many portal. Of course, we have a daily portal thing. So I said, "ठीक है sir, no problem." So I have made we have an annual chart, and we know what all papers have to be submitted. That person has to enter. Suppose he does not enter and he does not file it, I will get an alert automatically. So so that is how we have solved the problem, and they are very comfortable with this, because the moment they know that there is an abnormality, immediately top management is getting an auto alert. किसी को याद दिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So like that, we have also faced many problems. Like, this is customer related. Then you have something like GST. So my accounts people are saying GST उसने pay नहीं किया. That person is still not paying. Madam, what to do? I said, ठीक है, you have a payment reminder system. Luckily for us, our industry, we get payments on time. But we said, okay, no problem. Use this payment sync for GST reminder system. Let that person pay the GST, and also we start sending mails. Immediately, I get a call, madam, please stop that email. We have paid the GST. आपके आदमी को भेज दिया. Please tell him not to send us any more mails. So this is where we are using the technology, simple things for our benefit.
बहुत ही बढ़िया जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Excellent.
Now, क्या किया हमने? We are trying to, as I said, people is, looking after people problems is first. तो क्या problem है? What are the things they need? So we have made a CBX tree as learning from, COIT box. And ये हमने link जो है हमारा, it is there in the our WhatsApp link. तो वहां पर ये लोग जा सकते हैं, and they can access everything. So whether they want to apply for leave, they want to leave approval, HOD can approve here. Leave balance कितना है, he can see the leave. Compensatory form, he wants to fill compensatory form, he can, outside duty जा रहा है, he can fill the form here. He can be anywhere, he can fill this form, he can see this information sitting in his house. Expense claim है, expense claim है, complaint है, suggestion है. All these details are already there. Not only that, if you go to the next page, I think we have the tree here. I'll just take it there.
Yes.
So this is the actual one. They have given a connection here. तो ये देखिए, ये तो हमारे एम्प्लॉइज का हो गया. नेक्स्ट, सो जो हमें चाहिए, जो हमको लगता है कि जरूरत है, ये देखिए, एम्प्लॉय हैंडबुक है, सजेशन फॉर्म है, एम्प्लॉय हैंडबुक है. न्यू पर्सन हैज ज्वाइंड, भैया क्या क्या रूल्स हैं, काव्या में कब कितनी छुट्टी ले सकते हैं, कितनी अलाउड है, कितनी नहीं अलाउड है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स इज ऑलरेडी देयर. So he can check the rules, he can see what our policies is, what are the core values यहाँ पर है. So this is a small booklet, हमारी पहले से थी, we just make sure उसको update करते रहते हैं, and now it is available in soft copy, easy to update, no need to take printouts, सबके लिए available है, and we have the latest, and it is dated. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर क्या कंडक्ट है, क्या ड्रेस कोड पॉलिसी है, ईमेल पॉलिसी है. So everything is available. What are the rules, what are the leave, because leave is again one of a very critical issue in our company at least. So we have written down all these things so that very clear क्या मिलेगी छुट्टी, क्या नहीं है, जो भी हमारे rules है, all of it is available for a person to see here. So this is the Asakai dashboard, employee task delegation, team intranet, and this is production department, maintenance, stores, WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp of the my person who is handling the digitization. So unko problem ho gaya, they're not able to follow, then they can call him here, they can email him here, they can WhatsApp him. So this is our CBX tree. Yeah, coming back to around 5 6 days from now. So
Excellent work,
this
Anuji.
is a weekly review. So we already were doing something called monthly review. अब हम लोग weekly review करते हैं. Every Monday evening we have a weekly review. And then these are some of the points. उसमें छोटे-छोटे points भी हमने अब सब यहाँ डाल दिए हैं. सबके link यहाँ पर हैं. So that you know they can go and see the link. Near miss. This is a safety report. We always start everything with safety, and then we start with all the various departments. Everybody sits together, and we always start the meeting with a cultural video. So अगर हमारे we have 6 core values, 12 months in a year. Twice a year they come. That big month is the core value month. So we will make sure that उस time leadership के ऊपर बात करें. This month is a leadership month. So we will giving training on basically small videos from the internet, and we show it to, we discuss it, that's all. And then we of course go into details on task delegation. We talk about all the points here and what are the weekly review points. So all these points are discussed here. Then we started with the 5S audit app. So first हमने अपने पहले we very easy to do was a HR. So HR में हमने बहुत अच्छी तरह से जो हमें सिखाया गया, we implemented all of it. And then we had some problem areas. So first was 5S. 5S audit करते हैं नहीं करते हैं. We have digitized the whole system. And app है which is on their phone. Every week they are supposed to go every Friday जाके यहाँ पर audit करना है. This is a zonal. We have divided the company into 6 zones, and every zone leader has to audit the other zone. And किस किसने किया है, किस किसने नहीं किया है, all these details are available. Then the zone leader has to close it by Saturday. Monday को हम लोग review करते हैं कि भैया तुमने कितने points करे, क्या problem है, क्यों नहीं साफ है. All these things are discussed. It's very transparent and fair. And पहले लोग को पता नहीं होता. Now it's all transparent. On the screen only it is visible कि these are the open points. Systematic arrangement, ये सारे जो हैं ये audit points हैं. और fixed point photography, ये standardization, tag is not available. Gangway line is not visible, scrap metal is not in perfect place, gangway mark is not available, material, all these points now available. You don't have to, it's all available on the app, and every WRM we review it. Then audit, sorry, this is an audit completion report. जब audit खत्म हो जाती, we get this audit completion report. The audit में ये तुम्हारे points हैं, and this is your score. You have scored 74% marks. So like that we get an audit report. Then we have a problem, lux monitoring. Every time customers say कि light कम है जी, and for us the parts are very critical because even a small scratch and the part is rejected. So it was very very critical. People were doing the audit पर वो alert नहीं है, अगर नहीं है ठीक, nobody is taking action. Now we have an alert system. Standard बना हुआ है, the light has to be minimum 700. The moment it is hitting 700, there is an alert. It comes to me, it comes to the production head, and immediately we make sure auto alerts are there. And this is just a Google form जो वो भरते हैं, and automatically this information is once a month filled and finished. So we have an alert system to handle all these customer related issues, audit related issues. Machine breakdown. So what we did is, for machine breakdown also, my production people, they don't like to, they work on the machine, they're very happy, but when they have to fill forms, when they have to write their machine history card रखो, वो सब paperwork बहुत poor था. So what we did was, we said ठीक है इसको digitize करो. When the production problem happens, the production supervisor will enter it in the production app, in the maintenance app. कि breakdown हो गया है, immediately, and of course they call up also, immediately the production team comes, they will close it, and all this information is available. ये कि कहाँ कहाँ हुआ है, क्या है, and I get a monthly report, I get a yearly report, and then we know कि and then the history card is automatically updated. So every time the auditor comes, and now when we collect this information, we can even use AI to do a prediction analysis, which we haven't reached as yet. But first we need to collect good data before I can do that. So this is where we are right now, and we're trying to collect data which is meaningful. Maintenance app sheet. So this is our maintenance app sheet. This is on the phone. Report breakdown, preventive maintenance, improvement, prevention, verification. वो preventive maintenance नहीं कर दी, लेकिन production has to verify this. Quality check has to verify this. So all this near miss, कोई near miss हुआ है, कोई improvement होने की जरूरत है, oil leak कर रहा है, that will go into the near miss. So any breakdown only will come in the breakdown thing. So then maintenance app sheet. So this is all our app sheet. Task delegation, I think संजीव जी ने हमें सिखाया था. We use it very actively. And उसको रोज एक WhatsApp पे मैसेज आ जाता है, भैया तुम्हारा ये काम है. So I don't have to go and remind him. And I usually tell him, तुम अपना WhatsApp मुझे दिखाओ क्या क्या points है तुम्हारे, and why you are not able to do it. Very simple. So we do it like that. Then this is our Asakai logo, various department wise क्या क्या आपको problems है, कहाँ है, everything is available, and this is updated by the HOD every day in the morning. We have an Asakai meeting, stand up meeting at 11 o'clock. उससे पहले ये भरा होना चाहिए. So this is for a digital, and then this form is filled. गूगल फॉर्म भरा जाता है, अगर नहीं भरा जाएगा तो दे विल बी कॉट, बिकॉज वी विल कम टू नो कि ये भरा नहीं है. ग्रीन इज फॉर डिलीवरी अचीव्ड 95 to 100%. रेड इज डिलीवरी फेलियर टू कस्टमर, मींस इट इज लेस देन 95%, देन इट इज गेट. सो वी हैव डिफाइंड द स्टैंडर्ड कि इस रेड का क्या मतलब है, ग्रीन का क्या मतलब है. Then we worked on the leave card FMS, which was quite a painful thing, and उनको आना पड़ता था to the HR and fill the form. So now they know their leave at any point of time. हमारे leave update हम लोग every month कर रहे हैं. So they know what is my leave and what is the leave I can take. It is online, it is available, and this card is available online. Everything is done digitized. This was one of the first systems we need. Then this is in the quality area, SPC. They can fill the form online, and they have to fill this data every time. So all this data and chart, उसमें automatically जो line chart है वो आ जाता है. Then daily energy consumption. This is a very important aspect कि कहाँ पर electricity ज़्यादा use हो रही है. So we have worked on the problems and we pain points, and then we know किस area में. We have a department wise also. We know जहाँ पर furnace use हो रही है, then that day the furnace. So we can actually say कि why it is happening. The why, knowing why it is happening is what makes the difference. And if there is an outlier, if you feel कि एकदम sudden spurge है, then you know कि there is something wrong there. And we can ask question, but without data we cannot ask. So that is why we have match, and all these areas are identified जहाँ जहाँ के बस बाज हैं. So based on our need, because welding area है, we have CO2 welding line, so line based we have a monitoring system which is filled by people in the Google form only. Then total monthly consumption and area wise consumption, all these charts are available and we discuss it. Stock systems, we have this FG alert. If the minimum bin quantity is not there, immediately the alert systems go and it is there on our WhatsApp every day, so that people can see why it is happening, why are we reaching the minimum stock. Daily sales wise report. So this is our sales portal, kitna bacha hai, kitna reh gaya. Everybody knows this. It is there on WhatsApp every day. And then we have the daily sales, किस किस item में क्या क्या sales has been achieved, where are we failing. It is a total transparent. This has got a lot of savings for us because the whole thing is very transparent. Otherwise some people saying ये part कम दिया है, वो part कम दिया, we know exactly. And this Tally was not able to handle. Now this information is automated. Tally से directly आती है, so we don't have to ask anybody. Everybody knows the same information. So thank you so much. And any questions you can ask me. Thank you.
बहुत ही बढ़िया अनु जी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन गाइस. कितनी अमेजिंग चीज़ें आपने करी. तो
Thank you.
बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त. एंड अनु जी, इससे मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि ओवरऑल बिजनेस पे क्या इम्पैक्ट आया आपको. मैं आपकी शेयरिंग.
I
हाँ.
think, sir, one is the team is very motivated. I think this WRM and sharing with the top management every week, we feel it has made a difference. I see a more motivated, and they don't feel कि कोई सुन नहीं रहा है. So that is a very important thing. Second is this transparency in information flow. Our sales का data आ गया. Now we don't have to ask कौन सा part नहीं गया है. Everybody knows. नहीं तो there was always a gray area. Production will say something else, sales will say something else. All this, because of that, our sales people, the production people were able to deliver more than 100% of our target, which was never possible. We were reaching 80%. So 110% 2 महीने दिया, तो in fact customer said hold it. This month our schedule is going to be less. So that is a big power, because the team can deliver actually, but
और
information नहीं होती है.
In terms of business growth, in terms of,
Yes, the customer is happy, sir. Customer is happy. Audits go smoothly. You get so many awards. We got a digitalization award. We got awards in all areas. Five awards. No company in India got it.
क्या
So
बात है, क्या
it
बात
doesn't happen because of it. It happens because, and the good thing is the team has taken this. They are filling those forms because at the end of it, आपने तो खीर बना दी, लोगों को खानी है ना. So they have to be able to eat it, digest it, enjoy it. Then they see the benefit. So we worked on the pain points.
एंड देन दिस मीन्स कि अब आप किसी भी कंपनी में जाएं तो ऑर्डर लेने में कोई दिक्कत होगी नहीं, अब इतने अवार्ड्स आपको मिल गए
हाँ,
हैं,
वो
जिस
कोई
तरह का
हमें,
सिस्टम आपने
I
बनाया
mean,
है.
we have a chip on our shoulder and definitely we see a whole growth. In fact, our customers, हमारा bottleneck is usually getting more and more machines and space. So at least this is not a bottleneck. Our capability of our team, which was always a worry thing. Now team कहती है, मैडम आप मुझे दो, मैं 110 देकर दे सकता हूँ, which is such a big thing. And it is all transparent.
राइट राइट, तो अब तो सिर्फ ये है कि कितना आप ऑर्डर जो है, कितने आप फैक्ट्री लगा सकते हो, कितनी मशीनें लगा सकते हो. वेल डन, बहुत बढ़िया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So we have some questions for you. So we have Gaurav. Gaurav, go ahead. So okay, first of all, so guys, let me congratulate you, your team, and as well as my team. तो मेरी टीम से
Thank you, sir, for a
सतबीर और
beautiful job
अभिषेक,
done.
मैंने कहा सतबीर और अभिषेक जुड़े हुए थे. वेल डन गाइस, वेरी वेल डन.
We had a good team, sir, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है. There is no doubt about it. And we were able to achieve. And the whole company got involved, which is a big thing for us.
Right. So some quick questions for you, Gaurav. गौरव आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Amazing presentation, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So there is one thing that I noticed, that is Asakai logo. What is that?
सर हमारे एक ये टोयोटा सिस्टम है जहाँ पर एवरी डे वी हैव अ मॉर्निंग मीटिंग. तो उसमें हमने पहले फिजिकल है, उसमें ये सारे साइनेजेस हैं. एंड नीचे वी हैव अ एबनॉर्मेलिटी शीट, तो कोई भी एबनॉर्मेलिटी होती है तो हम उसमें लिखते हैं देन व्हाट इज अ कैचअप प्लान. तो दिस वाज नॉट विजिबल टू अस because we would go not see every day, but now it is digitally available. Everybody can see कि कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम है. तो we know which area to attack and which area needs more help. Who's crying for more? Now maintenance में problem है तो production में होगी तो delivery में होगी. Maintenance को अभी sort out करो. Raw
Okay.
material नहीं आया, you go to raw material and find out भैया क्या problem है, क्यों नहीं supply आ रही. So like that.
Okay.
It's a tool.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Amazing. So kind of a dashboard, a
It's a
powerful.
dashboard.
Yeah.
It's a departmental dashboard. These are production dashboards because raw material नहीं आएगा तो production क्या करेगा. So
Yeah.
everything is equal. Vendors don't supply or do the plating on time. We will not be able to deliver. So that is all.
संजय अग्रवाल जी, आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही संजय जी हमारे तक ना, कुछ आपके माइक में इशू है, एक बार चेक करिएगा. नहीं, अभी भी नहीं आ रही.
Can't hear you, sir.
संजय जैन जी, संजय जैन जी, जब तक संजय जी अपना चेक कर रहे हैं. संजय जैन जी.
Great achievement, Anjuji, and just uh, not get FOMO builded. This happened in how much duration or period? 1 year, 2 years,
One and a half years. 1.5 years.
And for
I
us,
think June or May to 2024.
and you
But
had version 1, version 2, version 3.
Uh, so
Like
it's a
SSG
continuous.
ने start किया, थोड़ा वापस ठीक किया, start किया, थोड़ा वापस ठीक किया, something like
Sir,
this.
I mean, we did the course and we were continuously, learning through it. So एक दिन में तो नहीं बनता है. हाँ, and weekly meeting थी to review this whole thing. We were very strong. I had a good team here, and so we were all involved in this.
One key factor which was great success, one key factor which we all should take care. By this I end.
Having a very strong review system weekly and top management
Okay.
involvement.
Top management involvement and good weekly review system.
Very, very, very required. Otherwise, वो क्या करेंगे?
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. सरबजीत, सरबजीत आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं. हाँ जी.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Your presentation is very good and
Thank you.
inspiring to us also. And my question is, ma'am, जैसे हमारे पास auditor आता है, audit करने के लिए, तो वो बोल रहे कि पेपर पे वर्क होना चाहिए, तो मतलब हाउ टू हैंडल दिस सिचुएशन?
तो मैम एक बड़ा रूल है ये कि आपका जो बेसिक पेपर होता है जो लाइन में बैठ के वो भरेगा, इट हैज टू बी हार्ड कॉपी। नहीं तो प्रूफ क्या है? सी डिजिटली यू कैन ऑलवेज चेंज थिंग्स, बट वंस दैट इज डन एवरीथिंग एल्स, ऑल योर रिपोर्टिंग कैन बी डिजिटल।
मैम बट जैसे गूगल शीट्स पे एडिट हिस्ट्री चेक कर सकते हैं तो हम
नहीं
लोग
तो हाँ, गूगल शीट में तो सी जब गूगल फॉर्म में आप भर रहे हो तो यू कैन चेंज इट्स टाइम स्टैम्प्ड।
या
उसको रोज ऑडिट करनी है, लक्स मॉनिटरिंग उसको करनी है, वो अपना भर के इट इज टाइम स्टैम्प, इट गोज इनटू द गूगल शीट, ही कैन नॉट टच इट।
तो क्या हम फिर पेपर को फुली एरेडिकेट नहीं कर सकते पेपर?
100% नहीं, बिकॉज जैसे मेरा एक पीपीयू ऑडिट होता है, वो पेपर करता है, उसको इतना टू फिल ऑल द फॉर्म्स, यू हैव टू सी हाउ कन्वीनियंट इट इज, बिकॉज यू गिव हिम 10 गूगल फॉर्म्स, ही विल गेट लॉस्ट। आप एक या दो फॉर्म दे सकते हो ना, यू कांट गिव 10 फॉर्म्स। सो इफ यू हैव लाइक वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फॉर्म्स, तो वो लाइन में कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, बट वंस अ वीक ही विल स्कैन एंड पुट इट ऑन द थing. Idea is the work should get done smoothly, and there should be a record. Whether you keep a scanned copy or Google form, you choose, depending on the need and the comfort of the person who's using it. उसको आप बहुत सारे गूगल फॉर्म दोगे, वो ही लूज इट।
लेकिन अगर हम कर पाए तो क्या हमें आर्ग्यू करना चाहिए कि हम पेपर फुली एरेडिकेट करना चाहते हैं और हम
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल करिए, बिल्कुल, इट इज ऑल पॉसिबल। वी हैव इरेडिकेटेड, बट वी एटलीस्ट एट द बेस लेवल where they have to fill a register, we try to keep that data because there is a value to of that data. I personally feel कुछ डेटा की वैल्यू होती है जो लाइन पे डायरेक्ट इंस्पेक्ट होता है। ऑल्दो वी आर हैविंग एसपीसी चार्ट जिसमें आपको एनालिसिस करना है, वो सब डेटा आप क्या कहते हैं उसमें करिए, गूगल फॉर्म में करिए।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
कपिल,
Hello, ma'am.
थैंक यू। हेलो सर।
CBX tree, you told us, can you explain what is the name you mentioned it, CBX
CBX
tree?
tree, I think संजीव जी ने दिया हुआ है, they call it a CBX tree, so we also call it CBX tree. We
Okay.
all understand the same
वो
language.
आएगा भी आएगा कपिल, मैं समझा दूंगा, ठीक है। इट्स बेसिकली
Okay, okay, sir.
जो बहुत सारे लिंक हम देते हैं ना, तो उसका ना एक शॉर्ट लिंक बन जाता है, उसमें सारे लिंक एक ही बार में आता है, हर एक पर्सन हर एक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए बनाया जा सकता है। दैट
Okay.
मेक्स थिंग्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट। वो सब देंगे हम आपको।
जैसा मैम ने वो फॉर्म स्टार्ट किया था उसमें सारे लिंक्स आ रहे थे,
हाँ,
लीव का है, ये है, वो है, मीन्स वही ना।
वो सब हमने सब यहीं सीखा है।
ओके,
हाँ
ओके।
हाँ हाँ, राइट राइट राइट। मैं एक एक करके ले रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन, सॉरी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं। अनु जी आपके लिए, एस के
हाँ।
गुप्ता जी।
हाँ, सबसे पहले तो मैं अनु गुप्ता जी को बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम बनाए हैं और
थैंक यू सो मच।
उससे बहुत मोटिवेशन मिल रहा है। मैं थोड़ा सा पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपकी कंपनी का क्या टर्नओवर है?
सर वी आर अराउंड 50 crores।
50 करोड़।
हाँ जी।
तो अभी आपकी छोटी कंपनी है, लेकिन जितना आपका अच्छा काम है, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि बहुत जल्दी आप बहुत आगे बढ़ जाएंगे।
हाँ जी सर, हम भी सोचते हैं एंड हमारे कस्टमर्स भी सोचते हैं, सो दैट इज अ गुड थिंग। Our customers tell us कि सर you have to be out. We are the ones hesitating कि और मशीनें लगाएं और करें, बट हमने हमेशा कोशिश की है कि हम जो भी चीज करें वो सही करें, प्रोफेशनली करें, शॉर्टकट्स नहीं मांगे। सो वी कीप दैट इंटेंट इन माइंड, किसी के लिए भी, किसी काम के लिए।
मैडम हमारी 15-20 कंपनियां हैं,
हाँ
तो
जी।
मैं 15-20 कंपनियों का सिस्टम अलग अलग कंपनी वाइज बनाना चाहिए या सब कंपनियों का मिलके एक बन सकता है?
एक बन सकता है सर, एक ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि
अच्छा।
आप जितना सिस्टमाइज और स्टैंडर्डाइज करेंगे उतना आसान रहता है। तो वी आर सेटिंग अप अनदर यूनिट अराउंड 125 किलोमीटर यहाँ से दूर है, तो वहां पर डे वन से ये सिस्टम्स रहेंगे और ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहेगी। तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी एडवांटेज हो जाती है सर कि आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां वाली भी सारी यहाँ पर होगी, आपको कहीं पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्डाइज करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है और इस पे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, ये कोई एक दिन वाली चीज है भी नहीं।
मैडम कभी कुछ आपसे राय लेनी हो तो कैसे ले सकते हैं?
सर आई एम
अपना
ऑलवेज
मोबाइल नंबर
अवेलेबल।
दे देंगी क्या?
सर आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल।
आप अपना ईमेल आईडी शेयर कर देना चैट में, है ना,
हाँ
दे
जी,
कैन रीच
हाँ
आउट
जी,
टू यू।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आई
थैंक
जस्ट शेयर इट। हाँ, शेयर इट।
पंकज।
Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Madam, when I was hearing you, you were talking like a CEO of a billion-dollar company. And, I worked with such companies, and it is really, pleasant to see the systems and the automation you have done, and so many things to learn. We are just, at, I would say,
So
at a
we have
primary
been
level.
very fortunate क्योंकि we had Toyota to teach us how to do standardization. तो हम बहुत fortunate रहे हैं. And then we had CO IT Box to teach us how to go for digitization. So ये सब चीजों को हमने use किया है, and हम बहुत जो भी काम करते हैं दिल से करते हैं. We don't do it because we have to just show somebody. We don't have to show anybody. So that is where I think, and ये digitization का हमें benefit मिला है, बहुत benefit. Our team is
Yes,
so motivated now. I feel that we see a change. And people
yes,
change
and
is the biggest change, most difficult.
yes.
So we have
So,
been able.
madam, so many things to learn from you, and
Thank you.
hopefully we will also try to come at your level
Nice,
and
sir.
see you soon, madam.
Thank you so much.
नेक्स्ट वी हैव गॉट सरबजीत, सॉरी संजय जी को पहले ले लेते हैं. सरबजीत, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन अ मोमेंट, क्योंकि इन्होंने पहले हाथ उठा रखा था. संजय जी, संजय जी आपकी आवाज़ अभी भी नहीं पहुंच रही हमारे तक. आपको कुछ देखना पड़ेगा. आप टाइप कर दीजिए, चैट में डाल दीजिए. ठीक है, आप चैट में डाल दीजिए. ग्रेट. तो अनु जी बहुत ही अमेजिंग. एंड अगेन मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि जिस समय इन्होंने किया था उसमें सब कुछ मैनुअल था, एआई भी इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं हुआ था. अभी आप लोगों के लिए काम और भी इजी हो गया है.
हाँ
तो
जी
ये
सर.
जो एप्स वगैरह बिल्ड करी हैं, ये टीम ने सब कुछ मैनुअली करा था. अब ये काम और भी बहुत आसान हो गया है. तो आप लोगों को इनसे कम टाइम लगेगा. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि उस समय में इनके पास इतने सारे टूल्स नहीं थे जो अब हमारे पास अवेलेबल हो गए हैं.
हाँ जी
ठीक
सर.
है ना. तो बट लेकिन यस, जो उन्होंने कहा कि रेगुलर रिव्यू और मैनेजमेंट की इन्वॉल्वमेंट, उसके बगैर काम नहीं होने वाला. क्योंकि कई लोग हमें चाहते हैं कि हम आके बस सब कुछ अपने आप करके दे दें. जब वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, कि जब तक ओनर्स की इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होती तो टीम भी सीरियसली नहीं लेती सिस्टम्स को. ठीक है ना. तो
बिल्कुल सर.
ये आपको दिमाग में लगना है. और ये जब तक आपकी डेडिकेशन नहीं, क्योंकि बिजनेस को बनाने में इतने साल लगा दिए, अब उसको डिजिटाइज करने में कुछ हफ्ते कुछ महीने तो लगाने ही पड़ेंगे. बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. तो गाइज, अनु जी ने अपना मेल शेयर कर दिया है ग्रेशियसली, तो आप यू कैन रीच आउट टू हर. एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन अनु जी
Thank you
फॉर
sir.
फॉर
Thank you.
कमिंग. एंड आपने पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया और
Thank
सबको एनलाइटन किया. तो थैंक यू वंस अगेन टू यू एंड
Thank
विवेक.
you sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll take leave now, sir. Thank
यस,
you.
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू जी.